welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is Glossybox time. I don't know what that was. Anyway, yeah, Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box. It's a beauty box. It is £10 a month plus postage and packaging, I think. Glossybox do send this to me in PR. I do not pay for this, but all opinions are my own and are honest because I'm a rubbish liar. Glossybox generally comes in this beautiful pink box, which kind of matches my hair at present. Every so often they do limited edition boxes which have the most beautiful prints. We have had some absolutely gorgeous ones. I'll just quickly show you some if you haven't seen them. You see, they're all glossy boxes over there, and there's lots of different prints. That was very close, I'm sorry. It's the end of the day and I'm looking a bit worse for wear, but I wanted to open this because I was excited. So yeah, this is Glossybox. Let's, there we go. Comes like this with a little ribbon, and we get our little leaflet to tell us about it, and then let's get in. So this is what we've got. Does it look good? Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so this month it says, hey Glossies, your emergency supply of hair care, makeup and skincare is here. You're welcome. Our beauty SOS box includes 5 essentials that will come to your rescue during the busy party season. Whether you're getting ready for a night out, partying away, or needing a boost the morning after, these wonder products will revive your skin and hair when you're most in need. This November we are truly honoured to give you the gift of Huda. And it is a liquid matte lipstick to add to your collection. We've also included an extra treat from Chloe so you'll feel and smell sumptuous. The sneak peek for next month is it's a Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it is a champagne shimmer roll. Oh, it looks really pretty. Look, that is the sneak peek for next month. Okay, I'm just going to grab stuff. So the first thing I've got is a Style London, and it is an eyeshadow palette, I think, and it's all sealed, so I can't get in. Let's just, oh, it's pretty, really pretty. Look at that. Oh, I'm excited. This colour here looks like the perfect transition colour. Oh, it is. It's like a really soft, it doesn't really show up on my skin because I'm so pale. It's a really soft apricot colour, really nice. I'm going to swatch some of that, some of the shimmers. Oh, let's go for these. These are like perfect autumn colours. Oh my goodness, that one just went on 4 days. Okay, let's have a look what it says about this. This is a full-size palette, and this is £9.99. The Eton eyeshadow palette. This pocket-sized, cruelty-free palette has endless possibilities for going out in the town or warming up your daytime look this season. From daytime neutrals to autumnal bronze hues, both matte and pearlescent, this is the only palette you will need. I, for one, will be using this tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure you will be seeing my Instagram with this all over my face. Okay, we've got a little perfume sample. I think this is the little extra goodie, and this is from Chloe, and this is Nomade Eau De Parfum from Chloe. Let's have a little sniffed. Oh, that's pretty. Drenches self in it. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. That's really nice. I've just sprayed it everywhere. So this is the extra treat. You've got there's 3 different ones. You've got Chloe Eau De Parfum. One is a rose one, which I didn't get, and I got the one that says a combination of oak moss and freesia. It captures the spirit of a woman open to the beauty of the world. Well, that describes me to a T. Next up, we've got what brand are you? Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. I think that's the brand, Living Proof. Really pretty colour. It kind of matches my nails. That's a really good full sample. That is an ounce sample. That's a really nice size. This is travel size. A full size one of these is £10, and this says Developed by scientists and hairstylists, this deeply conditioning, cruelty-free mask restores damaged hair, cuticles and moisture levels. The mask repels dirt so you can shampoo less and also strengthens hair to become 20 times more resilient to breakage. Shampoo less, I'm all about that. I hate washing my hair. So everyone's going to be like, minger! But that sounds awesome. Next up, we've got something from Context. This is a Microderm Regenerator. This is a 1 ounce 30ml 2-in-1 daily cleanser that gently exfoliates and soothes and purifies the skin. It's a really sleek packaging. Yeah, it's really cool packaging. This is a deluxe mini. We love this cute 2-in-1 cleanser with a difference. Using professional microdermabrasion crystals, it gently exfoliates, polishes and purifies. Powerful antioxidants also protect cells and fight free radical damage to leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Deluxe mini is £6.50 and full size is £26.70. So this is a 30ml and full size is 120ml. So it's a really nice size. Next up we've got Your Good Skin, and this is a balancing skin concentrate. What are you? Deluxe mini. This is £5.83 and a full size. It just says check website, which I will. I'll put it on the screen. Clinically proven, developed by dermatologists, the skin balancing concentrate has a unique complex of green tea, vitamin C to help improve skin texture, moisture, radiance, oiliness, skin tone evenness in just 28 days. From day 1, 95% of women had smoother skin, and by day 28, 90% noticed visibly healthier skin. So that sounds really good if you wanted to give it a go. It's quite a busy packaging. Like, there is a lot of information on that little tiny thing. You've got Your Good Skin, balancing skin concentrate, restores, balances skin's natural balance for all skin, visibly healthier skin in 28 days, enriched with a unique antioxidant complex of green tea and vitamin C, clinically proven, and then the amount and the fact that it is co-created with thousands of women. There's a lot of information on this teeny tiny bottle, but that's good. And then what we've all been waiting for, it is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. Oh my goodness. This is called Girlfriend. This is full size and it's £18. We're obsessed with this sultry shade from top beauty expert Huda Katan. Her vegan friendly, cruelty free liquid matte lipstick is one of the kind, comfortable to wear, and is infused with antioxidants and exclusive complex to help maintain hydration. Lightweight, long wearing formula, glides on, and the colour intensifies as it sets to a matte, transfer free finish. You might even forget you're wearing anything at all on your lips. I am putting this on right now. So I didn't wear any lipstick for this video. It's a really nice, oh, it's a pretty, really nice nude. Kind of like, it's got a little bit of corally pink, I'd say. It's really pretty. Let's get it on my face. I'm bad at lipstick, just remember. One dunk. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that colour. Ooh, I'm not sure it goes on my pink hair, but I don't care. I really, really like that colour. I have accidentally overlined quite a lot just there. We'll just pretend we can't see that. We'll do this side. Oh, it's really lightweight. It feels lovely. I'm really, really surprised. Liquid lipstick, especially at the minute, I've got really, really chapped lips. It feels horrible. But this, that feels really, really light. I'm going to just let this dry really quick, and then we're just going to do a kiss test. I might even grab a child to kiss. We'll see if they can, if they'll come in. We'll let it dry. I can't be bothered to wait any longer. I really like the finish of it. I'm really pressing, but it has only been on for like a minute and I haven't fully let it dry. But it feels lovely on my lips. So yeah, that was Glossybox for November 2018. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. I have a 20% off discount code. If you would like to use that, I will link that down below for you. You can get 20% off your Glossybox. And I feel like I should mention this because it makes it a bit of a bargain. If you are a Glossy member already, or you then sign up and become a Glossy member, it then means you get the advent, you can get the advent calendar for £75 instead of 99 by being a subscriber. The advent calendar, if you haven't seen it, is this beast? This has also got Huda in it, and it is amazeballs. I'll link my video up there somewhere. But yeah, give this video a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. We can be friends, and let's all look gorgeous in our Huda lipsticks.